Hello students, I hope you are all fine and in good health. Today's topic of discussion in this audio presentation is job application letters or letters of application for jobs. Now what exactly is this? Now before I move on to the examples, let me discuss what actually is job application letters and what exactly we have to do when we want to attempt a question that is related with job application letter. See, application for jobs are written in a very formal, precise and to the point manner. Now, job application letters are written in a very formal manner. It is precise and always it is to the point. In case the applicant has to focus on his qualifications and experience, a biodata is enclosed. A biodata is compulsory because it gives information about the qualification of the applicant and also related with his job experience. So biodata is also very important. Now what is included in a biodata? That one also we should know. It includes important information regarding the candidate. Now, what sort of an information? Name, date of birth, contact address, educational qualifications, professional attainments, experience letter, hobbies, marital status, salary expected, and the references. Now, all these things are to be included in the biodata or CV. Now, I repeat: name, date of birth, contact address, educational qualifications, professional attainments, experience letter, hobbies, marital status, salary expected, and the references. All these things are to be included in the biodata. The forwarding letter has the same format as an official letter. Now the forwarding letter, it has the same format, exactly the same format as an official letter. In case the information about the applicant is not detailed one, it is included in the body of the letter itself. Now sometimes the information related with the applicant, if it is not in a detailed way, if it is not given, then some part of the information is or mentioned in the body of the letter itself. Now in a job application letter, dear students, always remember CV or what we say curriculum vitae or the biodata is very important. It is written in a standardized format. The forwarding letter reflects the personality of the writer. The forwarding letter is a must and it reflects the personality of the applicant also. It must be brief and polite. The forwarding letter, it must be to the point, it must be very polite. While stressing personal qualities such as habits, manners, health, physique, etc., it should avoid the two extremes of bragging and ingratiating. Now, bragging and ingratiating should not be used. Not any sort of bragging or flattery should be used. In a very formal manner, in a very honest way, we should write down the job application letter. Now some examples I am discussing, that is the intro part regarding job application letter. Now let us come to some solved examples and this will make it very clear to you all, dear students. See the first question. You are Anand or Aarti of 14 Model Town, Delhi. You have seen an advertisement in the Hindu, that means in the Hindu newspaper, for the post of chief chef in a 5-star hotel. Apply for the job with complete biodata and you have to write within 125 to 150 words. This thing also should be taken into due consideration, the word limit. Now how will you proceed? Now at the beginning, in the left hand side, the landmark address and the detailed address has to be given step by step. So here I have included 14 Model Town, Delhi. Next line, May 25th, you can mention a year. Next line, the managing director. Next line, the name of the hotel, the Radisson Hotel, and the place where it is located, that is Gurgaon. So this ends the first part of the format. Now you have to concentrate on the body of the letter, and after that you have to give the biodata. Now, sir, the next line, subject. Subject, application for the post of chief chef. It is already mentioned in the question. Now you have to give the reference letter, and how will you proceed? This is with reference to the advertisement published in the esteemed daily, The Hindu, on May 20. Then you will mention a year. I am Anand. I have completed my MBA in hotel management from Delhi University. So you are introducing yourself in the forwarding letter itself. I intend to apply for the post of chief chef in your esteemed organization, and your purpose of writing this letter, you are making it very clear in the introductory part itself, in the forwarding letter itself, that you want to apply for the post of chief chef in your esteemed organization, means in the Radisson Hotel. So obviously in the forwarding letter you are making your intentions quite clear. Now please, next paragraph, because paragraph change is also very important, dear students. See, please find enclosed my biodata for the said purpose. I am hardworking, honest and punctual. I assure you that I shall work with full devotion and sincerity. Then obviously you are making it clear to the organization that dedication, seriousness, sincerity, everything they will get from you, in anticipation of an early response. Now this is the format, this is the technique, how you have to proceed. Then yours truly, Anand. Now this is the forwarding part. Now this is not over yet. Now after the forwarding part is over, you have to concentrate on the biodata. So see, I have written biodata, or curriculum vitae also you can write. Now every details you have to put. See, here I have given name Anand Kumar, father's name Kapil Kumar, date of birth you have to give, you have to create all this, 22nd January 1990. Contact number, you have to give a contact number. Marital status, you have to give a marital status, whether married or unmarried, that one. Educational qualification, Masters of Business Administration, AK College Delhi, 95% marks, and the year you can mention 2013. Then graduation in hotel management, Satyavati College, 2011, 94% marks. So this thing you have to mention, not over yet. Working experience. Now if you have any sort of work experience, definitely you have to mention it. Trainee at the Taj Hotel, New Delhi, and from which time to which time, that is from which year to which year, time duration also you have to mention, that is May 2013 to December 2013. Languages known, very important in case of a hotel management candidate, Hindi and English. Now references are a must. References: A.K. Poddar, Professor, Head of Department, ABC College, Delhi. Another one is Ram Prakash, Professor and Dean, KX College, Delhi. Now these are the references. So this thing has to be mentioned. So without the biodata, if you don't mention the biodata, then the job application letter itself is incomplete and you will lose marks. So the biodata is very, very important, and you have to make a design like this. You have to make a box, you have to make a design like this. Finally it is over. So these things are very, very important, very much preferable, that you have to mention all these things step by step. Now I am moving on to another question. Question number 2. You are Prem or Parul of 16 TT Nagar, Bhopal. That is the landmark address given. You would like to apply for the post of marketing manager in a reputed firm in Mumbai. So you want to apply as a marketing manager in a reputed firm in Mumbai. So write a letter to the public relations officer, Chantak Enterprises, Mumbai, applying for the job. So you have to write a letter to the public relations officer, and you have to apply for the job, and your letter should be within 125 to 150 words. Now how will you proceed? Similarly, the format is same. Left hand side, you have to start with the landmark address and all the details step by step. See, 16 TT Nagar Bhopal, this address is already given in the question paper. So from the question paper only you can jot it down. April 26, you can mention the year. Public Relations Officer, because this letter has to be forwarded to the Public Relations Officer. Chantak Enterprises, Mumbai, this information is there in the question paper only. The main basic information, dear students, while you proceed with the job application letter, if you read the question paper properly, you will get the basic information from there only. Sir, the next line subject, application for the post of marketing manager. Now, how will you start? This is the forwarding letter. In response to your advertisement published in the Hindustan Times, sometimes the reputed newspaper will be mentioned, sometimes the name of the reputed newspaper might be mentioned. If not, you can frame it on your own. You can write the Hindu, you can write the Hindustan Times like that, or the Times of India. That is as far as your choice. If it is mentioned, if the newspaper name is mentioned in the question, so nothing to worry. If not, you have to frame it on your own. So let's move on. In response to your advertisement published in the Hindustan Times, dated 23rd April, then you can mention a year. I wish to offer my services as one of the candidates. So you want to apply for the post. Just like the other candidates, you are also one of the candidate who actually wants to apply for the post. I fulfill the conditions laid in your advertisement. So whatever the criteria and whatever the conditions are being given in the advertisement, you fulfill everything. That also you have to mention in the forwarding letter. I have completed my MBA in marketing management from Pune University with 90% marks. I have also got 1 year working experience in XYZ Enterprises, Mumbai. Enclosed here with the biodata, photographs, certificates and testimonials for your reference. Now in short, you can highlight your credentials by saying that you did your marketing management from Pune University and you secured almost 90% marks. That one you can mention. Apart from that, you have work experience also. That one also you can slightly mention in the forwarding letter, because later in detail in the biodata you have to mention it. But you can give a glimpse of some of your accolades and some of the good things related with your credentials, hoping for a favorable response. Now this is the body. Then yours, Prem. That is the name been mentioned or referred. Now this is the one half of the job application letter. It is not over yet. As I told, without biodata, it is practically incomplete and it is meaningless. Now the biodata has to be written properly. See, name Prem Kumar, father's name Mr. K. Kumar. The format is important, dear students. You can change it in your own way according to your own necessity, but the format is very, very important. Date of birth, you have to mention. Address, that is already written in the question paper, you have to mention it. Marital status, whether married or unmarried, you have to mention that part. Educational qualification, MBA in Marketing Management, Symbiosis Institute, Pune. And working experience, that one also already have mentioned a bit in the forwarding letter. You have to mention it again here. So manager at XYZ Enterprises, Mumbai, 20 January 2013 to 30th January 2014. The time duration, the work experience, the time duration is very important. The year duration, that one also you have to mention properly. And if you have any skills, any extra skills, don't hesitate, mention that one also. See, it is written, excellent communication skills, diploma in computer with Java. So this is the extra skills that you possess. You have to mention it. And finally, references. Now two names you have to give of two persons who are from whom you have got references. A.K. Puri, Director, T.K. Private Limited, Mumbai, and another one is R. Kumar. These are the two names or references can be said. So this is another way we can do the job application letter. So this is the format. Now, another example I am moving on now, that is question number 3. I hope the first two questions and answers related with job application letter is clear to everyone. So now I am moving on to the third one. See the question: draft an application for the post of an accountant in Pioneers Private Limited Corporation or Hyderabad or Company Hyderabad in response to their advertisement that appeared in the Times of India. See, the name of the reputed English daily been mentioned already. Dated 1st August, then a year you can mention, or it can be like this also. Prepare a biodata to be enclosed. You are Nipun or Aparna. Now, typical CBSE job application letter question. Now, how will you proceed? Similar way. Again, in the left hand side, by this time you are well acquainted with the format. See, it is written 23rd Raman Villa, Racecourse Road, Bhopal. August 11, then the year should be mentioned. Next line, the personal manager, Pioneers Private Limited. Then next line, Hyderabad. So these are the basic informations. So at the very beginning, you have to mention all this. Then sir, then the next line, subject. Application for the post of accountant. And then you have to start. Remember, the formal part is very important. The forwarding part is very, very important, dear students. See, now this is the forwarding part. In response to your advertisement in the Times of India, you have to mention the date. On which date in the reputed newspaper it had came out. The news came out or the news was printed. You have to mention the date. So here also the date has been mentioned, dated 1st August, then a year that is given. I wish to be considered for the position mentioned above. I feel my qualifications and experience are good enough to enable me to discharge my duties. I attach hereby or herewith, you can say, attested copies of my certificates and my biodata. So hereby you are enclosing your certificates, your educational qualification certificates, your credentials along with your biodata. If given a chance, I may assure you, sir, that I shall spare no pains in the discharge of my duty honestly and devotedly. That means this is something you can say on your part in the forwarding letter also, that if given a chance, you will work to the best of your ability. I will certainly win the confidence of my superiors. And it's not a flattery, it's something you want to say about yourself, your capabilities. And it is mentioned that if given a good opportunity, you can even win the confidence of your seniors. Thanking you, yours faithfully. Either you can write Nipun or the other name that is mentioned in the question paper. Now this is the forwarding letter part. Now you have to enclose the biodata because the remaining part is still left, that is biodata. The format by this time it is very much clear to you. See, it is written name Nipun Verma, father's name Sri Mohan Lal Verma, address 23 Raman Villa, Racecourse Road, Bhopal. You will get this type of information in the question paper only. Date of birth you have to create it 15 September 1970. Educational qualification. This way also you can write CBSE 10+2, which year? See, you are mentioning 1987, 83%. BCom Honors 1990, 73%. CA in 1994, ICWAI in 1997. So in this way you can also mention. Now the work experience. This is very vital. This will give some extra impetus on your entire letter. If you have a work experience, it will be very helpful. Tisco Bhopal since November 1997. Salary expected 9,000 plus perks. That is up to you which salary and how much you want to include here. Marital status unmarried. Languages known, very important: Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu. References, you have to mention some of the references. Dr. V. Anand, HOD Commerce, Holkar University, Indore. Another references is given Sri R.K. Sareen, Financial Advisor, Grasim India, Bangalore. So these are some heavyweight references been mentioned here. So in this way you have to do the job application letter. So this is another example related to that just now I had discussed. Now dear students, I am moving on to another important question number 4, that is also related with job application letter. So let us come to that. You are Chetan Sharma, a commerce graduate from Delhi University. You are seeking a suitable job. You came across an advertisement, again a reputed newspaper name has been mentioned, the Times of India, inviting young and dynamic fresh graduates as sales assistants in a reputed company. Apply for the said job to box number 8365, care of the Times of India, New Delhi. So entire information, as I told previously also, you can get from the question itself. So how will you start? By this time you are very much familiar. I am very hopeful that by this time you are very much familiar with the technique of how will you proceed if it is related with a job application letter. See, C40 Ashok Vihar. This is the landmark address, New Delhi, 20th March. Then you have to mention a year, or you can keep it like this, 20XX. In that way also you can keep it. The advertiser, box number 8365, care of the Times of India, already mentioned in the question paper. Then New Delhi. This is the first phase of the technique, or the way you have to frame it. Then sir, then obviously subject. Application for the post of sales assistants. Now you have to start. In response to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 16 March, then you can mention a year like this, as I have mentioned earlier also, requiring young and fresh graduates as sales assistants. I offer myself as a candidate for the same. Now you want to apply for that post. So you are introducing yourself in the forwarding letter. I have passed my BCom honors from SRCC, Delhi, securing 75% marks. I am a young and dynamic student of 21 years. I enjoy a sound health and pleasing personality. I have a reasonable good command over English and Hindi and possess convincing power and fine communication skills. So whatever the good qualities, the positive qualities you have to mention those. I hope these factors make me a suitable candidate for the job. If selected, I shall certainly prove myself worthy of the post. Now, later you can mention also that if you are selected, you will prove yourself to be very important, or rather to say very much worthy for the post. Now, yours faithfully, finally you will write Chetan Sharma. But you remember here one thing, that no biodata has been done. That means in a very shortcut manner, the information has been provided in the forwarding letter. In this way, you can also do. Now, similarly, another example related with the same thing is there in question number 5 also. That is, in a brief way, you are giving a hint of the academic qualification itself in the forwarding letter, instead of maintaining, instead of writing the biodata. So one example been mentioned in question number 4. Another one is this. Let's move on. Pramod Suri, a resident of 245 Tilak Nagar, Delhi, reads an advertisement for young boys, girls, or to market the products of a renowned company in Delhi. He decides to apply for the same. Write promotes application to the personal manager Harrison and Simpson Limited, Nehru Place, New Delhi. So informations are mentioned. So how you will proceed? That means outdoor marketing assistants are required. Either it can be a boy or a girl. So it has been required by Harrison and Simpson Private Limited, a company. So how will you proceed? In the forwarding letter only you will have to mention the credentials, your academic credentials. So how will you proceed with this? See, 245 Tilak Nagar, Delhi. Next line, 20th May. You have to mention a year. The personal manager Harrison and Simpson Limited, 237 Nehru Place, New Delhi. Then sir, Then next line subject, outdoor marketing assistance. Now you have to express, you have to write it down because the first part of the technique or the format already been done. In response to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times dated 17th May, then a year can be mentioned, requiring young boys and girls for marketing your products in Delhi. I offer myself as one of the candidates. So you are offering yourself as one of the candidates. I fulfill the conditions laid down in your advertisement. So whatever the criteria given in the advertisement by your company or by your organization, I suitably fulfill all those. I have my own scooter. I enjoy sound health, good personality and pleasing manner. I have reasonably good command over English and Hindi. Although I am just 18 and I finished my schooling from the Summerfields Public School just this year, I have heard a lot about your prestigious company and your products. So it seems that the candidate is just a teenager, past the high school. That also has to be mentioned. I think it will be an honor to me to get associated with your esteemed concern. That one also you can mention at the very end of your forwarding letter. I do assure you of my dedicated service and wholehearted cooperation. Yours faithfully, Pramod Suri. Now, important thing is that maybe in person you might furnish the credentials, but in the forwarding letter you will give a hint of your capabilities and what you are able to do for the organization as it is mentioned here. So question number 4 and 5 is slightly different from the basic job application letter questions that I discussed in the first 3. So dear students, please go through this audio presentation, and if there is any doubt anywhere, please let me know. Thank you students. Thank you all.